Today I'm going to show you how to make my everything chicken. It basically goes over everything. It's going to go wonderful over pasta, in salads, over mashed potatoes, and in tacos, which we love. So let's get started. It is absolutely a magical recipe. So I have a pound of chicken thighs and I want to make sure that they're even so it's easier to cook. So what I will do is just make a little slice to make it a little more even. That's my shortcut to pounding chicken. So now we are going to spray the chicken with some cooking spray. I'm using avocado oil, because I want the ingredients to stick.
You mean the seasonings?
Yes,
The seasonings.
I want the seasonings to stick. Okay, all right. So that's ingredient one. Then we are going to use some garlic salt. You can use whichever you like. And just put a light layer because the other all-purpose seasoning also has some salt. This recipe can easily get over-salted, so try not to put a heavy layer of garlic salt. And then I'm going to use an all-purpose. I really like this McCormick garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt blend. It is not sponsored, it is just my favorite blend, and it goes amazing for this everything chicken. Trust me, this shortcut is so worth it and it's delicious. And if you have another favorite all-purpose seasoning, you can use that instead. But you've got to use the garlic salt. It just really punches up the flavor. Okay. Season the other side. Do you see how quickly this is? And you could do this the night before and then just cook it. And this makes great leftovers. It is great cold or warm.
And why do you use this instead of a chicken breast?
Chicken thighs have the most flavor, but you can also use chicken breast if you like. I actually mix it up sometimes.
Because they're more tender and juicier? Or?
Yeah, chicken thighs are more juicy and have a lot more flavor, but you can also use chicken tenders or chicken breast. Okay, but this is my favorite. So now we are ready to put the chicken on the griddle. And I don't need to add any oil because the chicken already has the avocado oil.
You have a medium flame?
Medium high. So now I am going to leave the chicken to cook until I see it cook halfway through, about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I will flip it onto the other side and then we'll check it with the meat thermometer until its internal temperature is 165. You could see how it's white up to this area. So now I'm going to flip it. It's been about 4 minutes and you want a nice char. Look at that gorgeous char. I'll wait another 4 minutes and then I will check the internal temperature and make sure it's 165. So this one is ready and I'm using the thermometer. It's definitely over 165. So I like to have a little container ready to put the chicken in. And I will link to the digital instant thermometer, which is amazing for cooking meats. Okay, so look at this beautiful chicken. It is glistening and flavorful. And I like to slice it. And then I'm going to put it back in the container. So I cut up all the chicken. So it's ready for salads, it's ready for tacos, it's ready for pasta. It is so juicy. And most of the time I will make a double batch. I'll make 2 pounds. Oh, look at that, it is so good. Okay, and this goes back in here until it's ready to serve. So I'm going to serve this now over pasta. Let's do a taste test. Some pesto pasta with spinach. And now I'm going to top it with my everything chicken. It's amazing. And I'm going to also sprinkle a little Parmesan and some pepper. And now for the taste test. Okay, I'm gonna get some chicken, a little bit of pasta, and some spinach in here. Oops. Okay, let's see. So good. Let me swallow. It's juicy. It's so flavorful. I love the seasoning. It's like a kind of like a blackened chicken, but it's so good. And it goes perfect with the pasta, and you're going to be amazed how good it goes in so many different dishes. It is like my family's go-to recipe. I know you're going to love it. So if you make this recipe, please share in the comments below, and I will be sure to tag all the ingredients that I used. And please subscribe if you haven't to our channel. See you next time. Bye.